Hey everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can hide and show specific data into the notifications. It's really simple. Go to notification, choose the notification you want to apply data filters and click on edit. Now navigate to data source. Here you will see a data filter option. Turn it on. Here you can add conditions to hide or show data into notification. As you can see, we have three conditions here. First, you have to select a variable. Then you can choose the variable condition. And at last, we have a display condition that is hide or show. Let's select the variable first. Here the variables are first name, last name, product name, city, state, and more. You can select any of these. Let's go with the first name. Remember, the variable depends on the notification type. Each notification will have their own variable, like the reviews notification won't have the city, state, and country, while the sales one does have these variables. Okay, so now let's move to the second one here. We have three conditions: contain, equal, and is empty. Let's go with the third one, is empty. And now the last one is display condition. We'll choose hide here. So the data filter we have applied here is whenever the first name is empty, the notification won't be displayed to the visitors. Now let's try another one. This time we'll select product name and contains condition. Now you will be asked to enter value here. Let's go with the shoes. And now the last step is to select display condition. We'll select show this time. Now according to this condition, only when the product name contains shoes, the notification will be displayed. Similarly, you can apply other filters too. And, and if you face any issues while applying these filters, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.